Hey there folks, back at you with another video. The Cornwall guy stopped by today and this finally showed up. Look at this beaut. Well, we ain't got no fancy test block, so let's try this out the poor man's way. Here we got him. Let's get you guys a little closer here. Well, look at that. That's working. Well, so far so good. Dang, the hat broke off. What to do now? No worries, I've got the new Knipex pliers. Hey man, it's got no issue, none whatsoever. Taking this out. Look at that. Teeth still look in good shape. Sure does. On top of that, this thing is adjustable. So, I mean, you can get some pretty big bolts or whatever you want to go after. Yeah. Once again, here's the part number for it, the Knipex. I thought that was pretty cool. All right, folks. Please like and subscribe. Don't cost nothing. And we're going to catch y'all on the next one. Peace out.